Techno Industrial Products offers P-Series plastic fittings for PU nylon, PA, EVA, etc. tubes. These fittings are made by fresh POM material of high quality and are your stable partner in many applications like pneumatic, vacuum, and many chemical companies also use these fittings as they are non-corrosive. These have push-on mechanism that means you have to open the upper nut and insert the desired tube in the nozzle beneath the nut and then tighten the nut. Upper nut and bottom nozzle create a pressure on tube to which tube is locked between them and can take high pressure, up to 16 bar. In the video, you can see fluid passing through the tube with the help of fittings attached. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.